Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is super exciting for me, first of all, because it's the first video that I am filming this year. I've been out of town, so every video you've seen this year has been kind of pre-done and pre-uploaded and all that good stuff. But it's also my first Dollar Tree haul of the year and really my first Dollar Tree visit of the year since I have been gone. So it's just exciting all around for me. I hope everybody is having a wonderful New Year so far. And my Dollar Trees are still $1 as of right now. So just gonna try to enjoy it for as long as I can. But I did find some great stuff, and if you are new to my channel, I love to make a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul content. So if you love Dollar Tree oriented content, you're definitely in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way you don't miss an upload. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I've tried to respond to as many comments as I can. I haven't done as good with that as I would have hoped when I was away. And I am wanting to do a get ready with me where I talk about my trip. I actually was filming it while I was filming this look and realized that my camera had stopped about halfway through and didn't get half of the footage. So I will do a get ready with me where I talk about my trip and all that good stuff. So like I said, I'm just getting back in the swing of it today. It's been quite a while since I have filmed a video. So I'm just getting back in the swing of it. It's been crazy to say the least. And of course, as always, if you're not new to my channel, you know this, but if you are new, I always have my relevant playlists and videos linked down below in the description box. That way you can check out more content. So I will have my Dollar Tree playlist linked down below. Without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I'm gonna start out with kind of household items first, and then I do have some new makeup and beauty items that I'm gonna share with you. I do have a couple really exciting finds, a couple things that I've seen on like Thrifty Tiffany's channel and all that good stuff recently, so I have found a couple things I've been on the hunt for. But I'll get some of the boring items out of the way first. So I just wanted to go ahead and pick up another packet of these face masks. These come 2 to a pack, and I do have like a cloth one that I use, but sometimes in an emergency or if I forget that or something happens or it gets really dirty, I do like to have like these little 2 packs from the Dollar Tree in my purse. So it's time to replenish, so I got a 2 pack of those. You can't beat them at the Dollar Tree for $1. Actually, they used to, didn't see them today, but they have these like white ones that I really like. But yeah, these are just your standard mask. Then for kind of the area that I have like my litter boxes in, I like to get these little Glade air fresheners, and this is the Cashmere Woods scent. Just a very cozy scent, and I've been using like Christmas ones like Pine and some other different ones. I think some of the ones I have are by like Renews It, so I do tend to pick these up fairly often. I find one really lasts about a month, and so really nice buy for $1. And I think they're about $1 kind of no matter where you get them. I don't know exactly what they cost in other stores. They might even cost 98 cents, but you know, for 2 cents, it's more convenient to be at the Dollar Tree than just about anywhere. So I do always pick these up at the Dollar Tree. So then an exciting find, something I've been looking for quite a while. I've recently started buying Crock Pot Liners, and they're a good $4 or $5 at the grocery store. I think we get the Reynolds brand, and oh, my last batch I think is faulty. I have to cut them where normally I don't have to do that, and so far the 2 that I've used have leaked. Very annoying, highly annoying, but they're pretty pricey, you know. But I finally found these that I have been seeing on other people's channels, most recently Thrifty Tiffany. They are the Crock Pot brand slow cooker liners. You get 6, and they fit 3 to 7 quart slow cookers. They are BPA free. Of course, so these are a brand name, the Crock Pot brand. I picked up 2, they had quite a few. I found mine where like the tin foil and all that is kind of on one of those little sleeves that hangs. I wanted to grab more so bad, but I just want to make sure I like them. I'm sure I will. So I picked up 2. That's a really, really good deal, and I'm so excited to have stumbled across these finally. Then another thing I saw on Thrifty Tiffany's channel are these giant bottles of liquid hand soap refills. So this is a 32 ounce or a quart bottle of soft soap brand, you guys. I mean, that's a great deal to have the brand name, and they had 2 different scents. I got one of each. They've got the Gently Coconut and the Gently Lavender, and they're both for sensitive skin. They wash away bacteria, and they're hypoallergenic, and they both smell absolutely amazing. I think the lavender is my favorite. Oh, actually the lavender reminds me of having just been on vacation, and like the shampoo and stuff that they give you. So a super deal. Definitely keep an eye out for these at your Dollar Tree. You can't beat this for $1 or even $1.25 if your prices have gone up here recently. Still a great deal no matter what. And then kind of the last household item was I was just needing some more fabric softener sheets. Kind of snuck up on me. I had a big box of them from Walmart for like the longest time and just kind of ran out. So I picked up these Gain fabric softener sheets. You get 15. And I forgot how much I love the smell of Gain. I'm using like unscented like all at the moment. And I miss the smell of Gain. So I will probably switch back to Gain here pretty soon, but probably not the best deal in the world, but I was there and just, it'll do 15 loads of laundry. So I figured I just wanted to pick them up until I can get to the grocery store and buy more. So now some like beauty, personal care type of items. The first is this Value Health Nighttime Sleep Aid. You get 12 soft gels. So this is what it looks like. I get the other ones that are like the blue pill. They're like a blue soft gel. I think I talked about in my last Get Ready With Me, I have become allergic to a filler ingredient in a lot of pills, vitamins, all that kind of stuff. But I have found I can take soft gels. So that's what I've kind of switched to. Anything that is a soft gel, I use soft gel. These are comparable to the Z-Quill. I think the other ones are comparable to the Unisom. But every now and again, I just need a little help sleeping or staying asleep. So I like to have these on hand. I don't take them every day because they are an antihistamine and they affect my voice. But I do like to have them on hand. And so I haven't tried these particular ones, but I'm sure they work great. So just picked up a little box of these. Like I said, I don't take them very often. So this will last me for quite a while. So picked up one of those. I'm gonna show you all the Ioni stuff that I picked up, and I wanna save that for last. So I have a couple more items to get through. So I'm wanting to do a giveaway here really soon. I was wanting to do one last month and time got away from me. So I am gonna be doing one here in the next couple of weeks. So I found this bag and thought this would be amazing to put in a giveaway. And I'd never seen them before. It's from the Sassy Chic brand, and it is this really large makeup bag. It's got a little handle on it. It's got a zipper, and it's got this little like detail on it, which is really sleek. And for $1, this is a really, really, really good size bag. I've never seen a bag this size at the Dollar Tree for this purpose. It doesn't have dimensions, but it's a really good size, and the zipper is good, and the fabric is really sturdy. You know, sometimes they can be a little flimsy. So I bought this to include in a giveaway coming up really soon, so definitely stay tuned. And then I just wanted to buy another one of these shadow switching sponges. You know, I love these. I do switch mine out about every 3 to 4 months because they do kind of wear out. So I don't see them all of the time. So I do try to pick up one when I see them. So I picked up another one of these. And then I've been eyeing these for a while, but never pulled the trigger on buying them. I've got a couple of those Turby towels from the Turby Twist brand. And the two that I have, one is really old and it is just torn to shreds. I've actually replaced the elastic in it. And a part of me is like, do I want to sew the fabric or not, or just let it go? And then one I have is a little bit more recent. Even at that, it's still several years old. But I've seen these at the Dollar Tree and wanted to try it. It is the April Bath and Shower Microfiber Hair Wrap. And I got the color pink. They had like, I think like blue and purple or something like that. So I'm really curious. I'm gonna open it up and kind of see what it's all about. It's kind of lightweight. Now see, I don't have a lot of hair. I know a lot of people have a lot of hair or they have a bigger head. I kind of have a small head. And so I was kind of thinking this might be really good for me. It is a little bit on the smaller side, and it's got like a button attachment. And there's your little like elastic. So anyways, I thought for $1, this would be maybe really good to take on vacation because it does kind of roll up a little smaller than my other ones. So, and I don't have any that are microfiber. The ones that I have are still like the old school like terry cloth. And so I'm gonna try it out and see if it's worth $1. Like I said, I don't really know, but like I said, I'm sure a lot of you can't use these if you have a lot of hair. I don't have a lot of hair and my hair is really fine. And so I'm gonna give it a try and we'll see. So I bought a couple of LA Colors blushes, and now that I'm sitting here, I kind of wonder if I don't have these shades. If I do, these will go in a giveaway, but they're just the LA Colors powder blushes. This one's in pink blush, this one's in peach rose. So I kind of thought that they weren't colors that I had. Some of the shades have like this little bit of glitter in it, but I don't think it really shows up on your face, but it kind of reminds me of, actually the I think the shade Toast. Really kind of reminds me of, remember the NARS blush Super Orgasm? Not regular orgasm, Super Orgasm with the glitter in it. Some of them kind of remind me of that, but like I said, I may have bought these recently. I don't know. My brain is escaping me, but if I did, they will be in a giveaway, but if not, they will be in a future Get Ready With Me, so we'll see. So now for the Ioni stuff. We finally got the display of Ioni products, and I didn't buy everything. I just bought a few different things that I thought I could use. So let me show you what I picked up. So they actually had like 4 different types of makeup sponges, but I picked up this shape because this is a shape that I don't have. It is the slanted tip. And of course they got this kind of like packaging that looks kind of like Louis Vuitton. But yeah, let's open this up. I want to get a good look. So as you know, I do love to get my makeup sponges at the Dollar Tree. See, I have them where they have the slant on the bigger end. This one has the slant on the thinner end. So I thought that was interesting, so I did want to pick it up just because it was slightly different than anything that I had. Like I said, they had some that were shaped like a gourd, and they had, I think they had ones that were like this as well, and then I think they had the ones that were like pointed, so I thought this shape was different, so I definitely wanted to pick it up. So I have the Sassy Chic like facial jade roller, and I don't have one for the eye area, so Ioni makes one. It's 100% natural jade, and this is the eye massage roller. So here is what it looks like. And you know, I still don't really know if I believe in jade rollers, but what I do like is when I use, before my vacation, I used like a sheet mask, and I rolled it, like the whole time I had it on, I rolled my face, and my face looked amazing. And it was actually a Dollar Tree, I think it was the hydrating mask that I found at Dollar Tree not too long ago. And so I've got little like eye masks, and a part of me is just really thinking to use this when I do that. So that is really, really cute. I think if you spend more than $1, you spend too much. Now I do know that you can find them pretty cheap at like your Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and a lot of times you can get them like dual-ended, but you know, for $1, you really can't beat it. So super excited to have one of those as well. Then I picked up, I thought these were really cute. I loved the color. Picked up the nail clippers. I'm always needing a pair of nail clippers, and you know, I just thought these were really cute. Love the color pink. So here's what they look like. They feel pretty substantial. So they're really sharp. I just tested them on my fingernail, and so, and they're, you know, they're big enough for my toes and for my fingernails, so, and they kind of compact down. I just think that's such a nice little sleek design, so super excited to have found those. I thought those would be handy. Oh, another random item, and I did actually have these already in my collection, but I wasn't sure when I was at the Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors Jewel Eyes Lashes in Wonder. And I think in my last haul, I explained I usually have the style Precious, and these are a little bit more dramatic, so I picked them up, but I did already have a pair. So I don't know, I may include them in a giveaway. Not really sure, but I don't know, I guess can you really have too many? So I've been not loving my tweezers lately, and I can never tell which ones I like because they kind of all look the same. I have several pairs, and they all kind of look the same. So I thought these ones would stand out, and I hope they're good. I'm definitely going to test them out and try. But the Ioni tweezers, and of course they got that blue handle, so you can easily know which pair they are. So let's take them on out. So they have this little thing around them. So they're a pair of metal tweezers, but this little thing right here on either side is rubbery, so it gives you like a good grip. All right, so I just plucked out like a couple of my eyebrows, and they work really good. They have a nice grip. They're kind of little, so you can really get in there. Sometimes, you know, tweezers can be pretty wide. So I think these are also gonna come in handy. Like I said, I've been kind of feeling a little bit, I don't know. I just was really feeling like I needed another set of tweezers and a nail clipper, especially when they're cute. And I'm actually gonna probably try to save that little elastic thing that comes on it, so super handy. So they had several makeup brushes, and I bought 3. So one of the things I bought was this. It's a brow duo. It's the spoolie and the chisel brush. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. So cute. So you get this little eyebrow brush. I have been loving a smaller design lately, and you get a spoolie. So just a good double product. I don't think I have a ton of products that are dual-ended like this. I kind of have one or the other. I've got I think I've got one. I think in work I have one brush that is like a dual, but I do like something a little bit smaller like this, and of course something that has a pink handle is always a plus. Then I got the flat blending brush. It's a soft flat brush for controlled all over blending. So I will definitely be testing these out in a get ready with me at some point. It is really soft. I like the little handle. These would be really great for traveling because a lot of brushes are kind of on the longer side. That is a really nice little brush for $1. Really, really, really soft. So I'll be super excited to try that soon, very, very soon. And what I love about this, the packaging on this, is it has the different colors. You remember those back in like the early 2000s? I never had one, but they were the white Louis Vuittons with the colorful logos. That just like is such a throwback to like the early 2000s. I love it. And then I got the round blending brush. This is a soft, fluffy brush to blend for a sheer and natural finish. Again, I love, love, love the pink handle. And it is a really soft, soft brush. So I am super excited to use these. So far, I'm very impressed just by at first glance and feeling them. Very impressed with the quality for $1. So I hope you enjoyed my very first Dollar Tree haul of the year, and really my first Dollar Tree shopping trip that I've done for the year. So I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be another great year of the Dollar Tree. Of course, we're gonna have that increase in prices, but it's all good. I still feel most things are gonna be worth it and be a good deal. So no worries. I will definitely let you know when my stores change over, but as of yet, they have not. So anyways, I do hope you enjoyed this. If you did, show me you did by hitting the like button. Definitely make sure you check out my other Dollar Tree oriented content and share this video with anybody you think may enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.